Hello Taurians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this in this video we'll be seeing as to what's going on, and as these are general readings, let's what's going on in your last 15 days of March, and as these are general readings, won't be resonating with each and every one of you. Maybe your energies, maybe the energies of the person or the situation you're dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. For the personal reading, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what's there for Taurians. Okay, we have the Hermit, the Five of Swords, and the Temperance. In your current situation, we have the Knight of Pentacles, the World, and the Five of Wands. In the near future, we have the Eight of Pentacles, the Three of Cups, and the Ace of Wands. Okay, so as far as your past is concerned, what has happened here is there has been some sort of manipulation, some sort of a fight or an argument. Definitely there has been something significant over here which has troubled you, and you are trying to sort it out and balance it out. With the Hermit and the Temperance, you are trying to sort it out within yourself, not necessarily with the person involved, but yes, necessarily it is about you and your own self. So you are trying to look for the solutions within, perhaps, or just trying to heal yourself out of it, and just maybe looking for the answers to correct it. It can be that also. But yes, there has been some sort of a manipulation, or you've been manipulated, somebody has manipulated you, maybe there has been some sort of a fight, some sort of an argument, something has really happened over here which has affected you, and you are trying to restore the balance in this, either in the relationship itself or within you first, before you reach out to that person. So primarily what I feel is it is all about you. I really don't see the energy of the other person. It is talking about you after that fight or an argument. It is you are trying to, you are isolated, looking, being in touch with your own self, and just trying to restore your balance. Again and again I'm getting the same thing. You're trying to restore your own balance, and yes, definitely trying to look for some answers within, but I really don't see you conversing with that person, or talking to that person, or talking to anybody, actually, or discussing this with anybody. You are on your own, just figuring out things, maybe the causes and the solutions, whatever, and trying to restore the balance. So definitely there has been the urgent, or I should say, not urgent is not the right word, but yes, there has been a huge, major sense of restoration of balance in some way. Something has affected you, definitely. And here in your present moment, we have the Knight of Pentacles, the World, and the Five of Wands. Okay, so here also what I feel is, here you, I think you are planning to, at least, or you maybe even starting to move slowly and steadily. Once you are able to deal with this situation, whatever it is which is troubling you actually, and once you are able to come out of it, you start moving slowly and steadily in a new direction. And this, whatever this is for you, in which you are trying to move towards now, is something major. So you are trying to end this chapter, whatever has happened, and you are trying to have a new beginning. And with the Five of Wands being there, what I feel is it is still, somehow what I feel is there's maybe if you are trying to approach the same person or the same situation, then maybe there is some sort of a conflict again, or maybe some sort of a, if you're trying to patch up with the same person in that situation, then maybe if you're trying to patch up with the person in the current situation, then maybe there are some arguments, and that those conversations when you try to patch up with someone, it can be that. Otherwise, if you are not, if you're moving towards a different sphere of your life, or just leaving things behind and moving on, then maybe this Five of Wands is talking about some sort of a conflict which is still going on in your head. So it, maybe it is just a lingering energy of whatever has happened, so it keeps on coming off and on in your mind, though you are trying to move forward in your life slowly and steadily. So it can be anything. Here in the near future, we have the Eight of Pentacles, the Three of Cups, and the Ace of Wands. So it can be a reunion. For some of you, maybe you are trying to patch up with the person and trying to have a new beginning with the same person, because with the Three of Cups, definitely there can be a reunion for at least some of you. Okay, so with the Five of Wands, as I said, maybe there is some sort of an argument, some heated discussions. You did this, I did this, and you shouldn't have done that type of a thing. And but with the Eight of Pentacles, the Three of Cups, and the Ace of Wands, what I feel here is that there is a reconciliation because you are trying to work hard on this reunion. You really want this reunion. Perhaps for those of you who are looking for a reunion, then maybe you will have a new beginning with this reunion. Okay, since you are bent upon and you really want this person and you're working hard to solve this conflict or an argument or whatever it is, you are really wanting to have a new beginning with this person, and you want to reconcile with them. For those of you who are not wanting to reconcile with them and who is moving forward, so this seems to be a lingering energy, as I said, of the past, and the fear, sort of the fear of you don't want to mess up again in your life with the similar energy, and that is why you're moving slowly and steadily. For those of you who are leaving the past behind and moving in a new direction, because there is a world card there, so it can be that many of you may be just putting the past behind and moving on. So whatever this conflict is, you are working hard to get rid of this conflict and to overcome this conflict, I should say. Maybe if it is in your own mind and lingering energy, and with the Three of Cups and the Ace of Wands, so you are celebrating your new beginnings. You are being with your family and friends. You're celebrating your new because Ace of Wands talks about something new. It is a new beginning. Okay, so this is, if you are moving in a new direction and a new life, then this new beginning, you are celebrating this with your family and friends. So but yes, definitely a new beginning is coming in your life, whatever way it is. So let's see what is the guidance. Okay, so this has popped up. This is the Ten of Diamonds. So this is, if it is a relationship that you're looking for, this is something stable, committed, long term. So this is a family card. This is the Ten of Pentacles of the Rider-Waite deck. So this is talking about, so this new beginning, whatever it is, this time it is, if it is with the same person also, then this is stable and this is committed, this is long term. Okay, and if it is someone new, then in that case also, that is up to you to decide. You want to reconcile with your person, you want to give them a second chance, or you want to move for a new one. That is up to you to decide. So let's see what is the guidance from the angels for Taurians. Four of Emotion. There are wonderful people who wish to help you. Opportunities are being offered to you, but you aren't noticing or trusting the heavens, trusting the gifts heaven is bestowing upon you. Look around you. Daydreaming or going within is a healthy way to get clarity, as long as you act upon your dreams. So Taurians, it's a beautiful reading. So that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.